want to leave you with this last illustration.
Te quiero dejar con esta última ilustración.
The book of Judges, chapter 6,
El libro de Jueces, capítulo 6,
talks about a man by the name of Gideon.
nos habla de un hombre llamado Gedeón.
When God calls Gideon, he tells him,
Cuando Dios llama a Gedeón, le dice,
a man of valor.
hombre de valor.
And yet, Gideon was hiding from the
Mas
Midianites.
sin embargo, Gedeón se estaba escondiendo de los madianitas.
But isn't it like God that he would always call you, not from the context of your past or your present, but he always speaks from the perspective of eternity, what is going to be.
Pero no es como Dios llamarte, no basado en el contexto de tu pasado o tu presente, sino de lo que Él ha establecido en tu futuro.
He calls him man of valor.
Así que lo llame hombre valiente.
And you know the story as Gideon begins to talk with God, he's trying to disqualify himself from the position of judge.
Y usted conoce la historia como Gedeón está buscando excusas para tratar de descualificarse de ser un juez.
Finally, Judges chapter 6, verse 35, that after all his failed attempts,
Después de todas sus fallas, después de 6:35,
it says that the Spirit of the Lord came upon Gideon.
dice que el Espíritu de Dios vino sobre Gedeón.
And he was a mighty judge.
Fue un juez poderoso.
But do you know what that expression literally means?
Pero ¿sabes lo que implica esa expresión?
It literally means that God clothed himself with Gideon.
Literalmente significa que Dios se vistió sobre Gedeón.
He clothed himself with Gideon. Now let me give you this picture.
Déjame darte este retrato.
Because if you're going to hear the sound of the kingdom,
Porque si vas a escuchar el sonido del reino,
you have to have the humility to say, God,
tienes que tener la humildad de decir, Dios,
will you clothe yourself with me?
¿te puedes vestir conmigo?
Let me show it to you this way.
Déjame mostrártelo de esta manera.
This beautiful sweater,
Este abrigo muy hermoso.
isn't it beautiful?
No es hermoso.
Not one person said amen.
Ni una persona dijo
Definitely meaning.
definitivamente no.
This sweater,
Este abrigo,
without me,
sin mí,
it has no form.
no tiene forma,
It has no movement.
no tiene movimiento,
It has no destiny.
no tiene destino,
It has no life.
no tiene vida,
It has no movement.
no tiene movimiento.
It's a simple,
Es simple,
dead
muerto
in his tracks
en sus caminos.
sweater.
Abrigo.
That was Gideon.
Eso era Gedeón.
That was me.
Ese era yo.
But if you say, God, I want you to speak, I want to hear the sound.
Pero si tú le dices a Dios, yo quiero que tú hables y sueltes el sonido.
I've identified the white noise.
He identificado todo el ruido.
I've identified everything that is stopping me. This is what you're saying.
Esto es lo que estás diciendo. He identificado todo lo que me está
What
paralizando.
you're saying is, God, would you fill me with your Holy
Lo
Ghost?
que está diciendo Dios, me puedes llenar de tu Espíritu Santo.
What you're saying is, God, would you clothe yourself with me?
Le está diciendo a Dios, te puedes vestir conmigo, como
So
amigo.
now, the coat
Ahora el abrigo,
had no form,
que no tenía forma,
had no destiny,
no tenía destino,
had no direction,
no tenía dirección,
had no life.
no tenía vida,
That represents me.
que me representa a mí.
God comes.
Dios viene.
And he says, I can do something with
Y
this.
él dice, yo puedo hacer algo con esto.
Wait a minute.
Espérate,
I think you fit.
yo creo que me sirve.
You fit into my plans.
Tú sirves dentro, cabes dentro de mis planes.
You fit into where I want to go.
Cabes dentro de donde yo quiero ir.
Wait a minute.
Espérate,
Let me just zip you right up.
déjame abrigarte,
Because it's going to be a bumpy road.
porque va a ser un camino lleno de...
And I wouldn't want you to let me go.
Y no quiero que me soltarías.
Now, ahora, that I am clothed with you.
Que ahora yo me he vestido contigo.
That sweater
Ese abrigo
has purpose,
tiene propósito,
has direction,
tiene dirección,
it has form,
tiene forma,
no longer looks
y ya no se parece
like some mess.
como un revolú,
Because God has said,
porque Dios ha dicho,
if you're willing,
si estás dispuesto,
I am able.
yo soy capaz.
I will take
Yo tomaré
that is formless
aquello que no tiene forma
and I will give it form.
y le daré forma.
Every eye closed, every head
Cada ojo
bowed.
cerrado y cada
Father,
cabeza inclinada.
In the name that is above all names, Jesus Christ.
Sobre todo nombre.
Holy Spirit of God,
Espíritu Santo de Dios.
would you speak now? Lord. Speak now.
Ahora.
Release the sound.
Sound del sonido.
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 Would you stand up to your feet?
Puedes ponerte sobre tus pies.
You're in this room
Si estás en este salón
and you say, Pastor,
y tú dices, pastor,
I recognize
reconozco
that in my life
que en mi vida
there are some things
hay algunas cosas
that are not allowing me
que no me permitan
to hear
escuchar
the sound of heaven.
el sonido del cielo.
At the count of 3, I want you to be honest with yourself.
Al contar número 3, quiero que seas sincero contigo mismo.
And I want you to run to this altar.
Quiero que corras a este altar.
1, 2, 3, come.
1, 2, 3, ven.
There's one person, 2 people, it doesn't matter.
Una persona, dos personas, no importa, ven.
Release the sound.
Sound del sonido.
Release the sound.
Sound del sonido.
Release the sound.
Sound del sonido.
Release the sound. 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 Desata el sonido. Desata el sonido. Desata el sonido. Envía tu fuego. Desata el sonido. Desata el sonido. Desata el sonido. Desata el sonido. Vamos a tener un momento. I want you to have a moment of sincerity with God. Un tiempo de sincerarte con Dios. Ahí donde estás. Espíritu Santo,
Holy Spirit,
Espíritu de Dios,
Spirit of God.
Espíritu de Dios, abre tu boca, tú
Open
conoces.
up your mouth.
Él conoce tu debilidad, Él conoce tu flaqueza.
He knows your
Abre tu
faults.
boca. Vamos a cantar a Dios.
Let's sing it to the Lord.
Levanta tus manos.
Lift up your hands.
Señor, estoy aquí.
Lord, I'm here.
Déjame saber, soy un vaso
Let them know I am a
que
vessel
necesita
that needs
tu llenura.
your indwelling.
No quiero ser solamente
I don't just want to be
como esa suera,
like that sweater
sin forma,
with no force,
sin dirección.
no direction.
Pero hoy me humillo
But today I humble
ante
myself
tu presencia,
before your presence,
reconociendo
acknowledging
que tú todo lo conoces,
that you know it all.
que tú todo lo escudriñas.
Search it all.
Padre, en el nombre de Jesús,
Father, in the name of Jesus.
ahora mismo,
Right now,
Holy Ghost,
ahora mismo, Espíritu Santo,
we declare and decree
declaramos y decretamos
that you fine tune
que tú afinas
the senses,
los sentidos,
all 5
los
senses,
5
in
sentidos,
the name of
en el
Jesus.
nombre de Jesús,
In the name of
en el
Jesus.
nombre de Jesús,
In the name of
en el
Jesus.
nombre de Jesús,
In the name of
en
Jesus.
el nombre de Jesús.
Oh,
Release the sound, release the sound,
right now in the name of Jesus.
release the sound,
Fine tune right now in the name of Jesus.
release the sound,
To hear the sound.
release the sound,
to hear the sound right now.
Release
In
the
the name of
sound.
Jesus.
Oh, release the sound.
Oh,
Release the sound. Release the sound. Oh, release the sound.
nombre de Jesús. Nombre de Jesús.
Release the sound.
Rompimiento total.
Release the sound.
Oh, in the name of Jesus.
Release the sound.
In the name of Jesus.
Release
Right
the
now,
sound.
right now, right now. Ahora mismo.
Release the
Se activan todos tus sentidos. Al escuchar el sonido del Rey. Oh,
sound.
in the name of Jesus.
Release the sound. The sound that's on me, Lord. The sound that's on me, Lord. The sound that's on me, Lord.
Rompiendo.
The sound that's on me, Lord.
Rompiendo en el nombre de
The
Jesús.
sound that's on me, Lord.
Release the sound.
The sound that's on me, Lord.
Release the sound.
The sound that's on me, Lord.
Release the sound.
The sound that's on me, Lord.
Release the sound.
The sound that's on me,
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 Release the sound.
the sound that's on me.
We want it, Lord. We want it, Lord. We want it, Lord. Oh, release the sound.
The sound that's on me,
Right now, in the name of Jesus.
the sound that's on me,
Every prophetic word that has been spoken over your life, I remind you once again that it will come to pass. Right now, I come against every spirit of frustration. And I speak life. For the Lord says you are a priest. I called you. I called you to release a sound. Right now in the name of Jesus. Right now in the name of Jesus. We prophesy influence over your life. Open doors. Right now in the name of Jesus. Right now in the name of Jesus. Right now in the name of Jesus. This is what the Lord says. September of 2019. The Lord says 3 years. 3 years. Next 3 years are years of preparation for your life. Of acceleration. Do not despise your age. Because I don't say the Lord. In the name of Jesus. Come closer, says the Lord. Come closer, come closer. Come closer. Right now, in the name of Jesus, in the name of Jesus. Release the sound. Release the sound.